नमो नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरिः ॐ। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। Here, Rama has successfully convinced Bharata to go back to Ayodhya and look after the kingdom, look after the subjects, and he specially says that Rajyam nama muhurtam api na upekshaniyam. Muhurtam api na upekshaniyam. He is also concerned about the subjects. He loves the subjects and the subjects love him. So he, tells Bharata also that don't ever neglect Prajajana. And then Bharata comes to Ayodhya and Rama, Lakshmana, Sita are left with their ashrama. And here, after this, our fifth act of this Pratima Natakam begins. In this act, Atithi Rupena Ravanena Sita Haranam Varnyate. Ravana comes as Atithi and he abducts Sita, Apaharati. That is described in this act. He comes Atithi Rupena. What is Atithi? Tithi, Atithi. Na tithi vidyate yasya saha atithi. He will not inform you that I am coming on such and such tithi, I am coming on such and such date. He will just walk in. He is Atithi. Sita, so when the chapter begins, you see here Sita on the stage, and there is Tapasi along with her. In Ashrama Pada, you will not find Dasa Dasis. They are all Tapasis. Why should they come and stay in Ashrama Pada otherwise? They do follow some tapa, they do some tapacharana, and that's why they have come and stayed in ashrama. So here, those tapasis are with Sita. So Sita and Tapasi, they are seen on the stage. Sita says, Arye upahara sumana akirnaha sammarjitaha ashramaha. Ashrama pada vibhavena anushtitaha Deva samudacharaha tat yavat aryaputraha na agacchati tavat iman balavrukshan udaka pradanena anukroshayishyami. She says, upahara sumana akirnaha. Upaharartham, that is pujartham, Sumanasaha Upahara Sumanaha. Upahara Sumanena Upahara Sumanaha Tabhi Akirnaha, that is Vyaptaha, scattered all over, Yadva Upahara Bhutaha Sumanasaha, that is Nirmalya Kusumani iti arthaha. Nirmalya is, the stale flowers offered to the deities. It is usual to remove flowers offered to the household deities on previous day and they are thrown away. That is Nirmalya. Then Sita says, these Sumanasaha, Suman flowers are scattered all over Ashrama Pada. So that is why she has Sammarjita Ashramaha. Sammarjita. Sam plus Mruja. That Sammarjini is, broomstick. To clean up, Sammarjanam. Ashramapada Vibhavena. Ashramapada Vibhavena Anushtitaha Deva Samudacharaha. Asamantat Shramyanti Tapasa Kayam Kleshayanti Yatra Saha Ashramaha. Tad eva padam sthanam. Tatra sulabhena pushpa faladi upakarana sampat iti bhavaha. That is the vaibhava, that is the vibhava of that ashrama pada. Deva samudacharaha. Deva archanadi acharaha. That is Deva samudacharaha. That is the proper conduct towards the deities. That is worshipping them by offering fruits, flowers, etc. Like we had seen different conducts, like Atithi Samudacharaha, Brahmana Samudacharaha. Similarly, this is Deva Samudacharaha. Yat tat yavat Aryaputraha na agacchati tavat iman balavrukshan. The plants are very small. Balavrukshan, they are balavruksha. Balavrukshan udaka pradanena anukroshayishyami. I will water these small plants and anukroshayishyami. Anukrosha, that is sadayam anugrahishyami. Anukrusha, to show sympathy for or to favor. That is anukroshayishyami. She loves them. And, she has, she considers the plants as human beings. And like human beings, she loves them. She waters them, she talks to them, then she caresses them. Everything, she considers them like human being. Kalidasa has shown this, that Shakuntala was a Nisarga Kanya. She always loved plants and she had, her bhavas connected with those bhavas of Lata, Vruksha, etc. Nisarga Kanya. Then when Tapasi says, Avignam asya bhavatu. Why did she say so? Avignam asya bhavatu. Let this be avignam. That means while you are watering the plants and doing such work, let there be no vigna. What kind of a vigna will be there? This is a suggestion. This is an indication. Avignam. Vignam and avignam. Vignasya abhavaha avignam. This is avyayi bhav samasa. Here the sense of negation, negative particle is a, that is abhava. The absence of. The negative particle a has 6 senses. This negative particle a has 6 senses. They are tat sadrishyam, abhavaha cha, tadanyatvam, tadalpata, aprashastyam, virodhascha, nayarthaha, shat प्रकीर्तिताः. तत् सादृश्यं, तत् अभावः, तद् अन्यत्व, तद् अल्पता, अप्राशस्त्यं, न प्राशस्त्यं, विरोधश्च नयर्थाः षट् प्रकीर्तिताः. This is indication of Sita's future abduction by Ravana. Because the nice things are going on, and why it came into her mind, and she said to Sita, Avignam asya astu. So this is indication given by, he is preparing the minds, Bhasa is preparing the mindset of darshakas, the audience, he is preparing their mind, for such things, slowly and slowly. Tataha pravishati Ramaha. Rama says, Sashokam. Sashokam. There is a shoka in his mind, and he says Sashokam. And Tyaktva tam guruna maya cha rahitam ramyam ayodhyam purim udyamya api mama abhishekam akhilam matsannidhav agataha. Matsannidhav agataha. Rakshartham bharataha punargunanidhihi tatraeva sampreshitaha. Kashtam bho nrupater dhuram sumahatim ekaha samutkarshati. He feels bad about Bharat, and he says, Tyaktva tam. He says, Guruna tata padapena maya cha rahita. His father is not there. Guruna cha. Guruna is tata padapena. Maya cha. That means without me. Rahitam. Shunyikrutam. That is Shunyikrutam. Tam ramyam. Sarva manoharam ayodhyam, ramyam ayodhyam purim, sarva manoharam ayodhyam nama nijam purim, that is nagarim, tyaktva, by leaving this Ayodhya, who is rahita of Guru and me, Shunyikrutam, Mama akhilam sampurnam api. Mama akhilam, that is sampurnam api. Mama vanavasinaha ramasya abhishekam rajasauskara vidhim udyamya that is upasangrahya mam abhishektum matsannidhav agataha. We'll see this. Matsannidhav agataha. Came to me. Matsannidham. He came to me. How? Why did he come? Mam abhishektum. Mam abhishektum. And what did he do? Abhishekam, that is Rajya Sanskara Vidhim Udyamya, that means Upasangrahya. He collected all those, things which are needed for Abhisheka, and he came, Mama Vanavasinaha Ramasya. I have become Vanavasi now, and to me he has come, to offer this Abhisheka. Rakshartham Bharataha, but Rakshartham, for the Raksha, of what? Ayodhya. Punar gunanidhihi tatra eva sampreshitaha. Gunanam nidhihi gunanidhihi. Rajyaspruha vaidhuryam bhratruvatsalyam nishkapatatvam adi are gunas of Bharata which Ram noticed. So he says Bharata is gunanam nidhihi. He had no Rajyaspruha, he had Bhratruvatsalya, and he was He was nishkapata, his mind was shuddha, there was no kapata, leshopi nasti. He was that simple, sarala. And such are the qualities. He is gunanam nidhihi, akaraha. Gunanam nidhihi means akaraha. Ratnanam akaraha, ratnakaraha. Similarly, he is gunanam akaraha, gunanam nidhihi, bharata tatra eva shunyanam ayodhyam eva preshitaha. Bharata was sent to that Shunya Ayodhya. Kashtam bhoho. He feels that there is really kashtam. What are the kashtas? Nrupatehe dhuram sumahatim ekaha samutkarshati. As it is, Nrupatehe dhuram rajya bharam. To carry on with such a heavy work is, as it is, very difficult. But now Bharata is doing it all alone. There is nobody. Iti kashtam. And then he says, he looks here and there and he says, idrisham eva etad. Etad means rajya karyam. Kashtapradam eva iti arthaha. Samutkarshati. In Samutkarshati, he means he feels sympathy. He feels sympathy for his brother who had shown such exceptional affection for him. This is sympathy for his brother Bharata. He also feels sorry for the difficult task of governance was entrusted to him. Bharata was unexperienced in it. That is why he was little worried. Kashtam, bhoho kashtam. He means things must take their destined course. Tathacha uktam na atishrama apanayanaya yathashramaya rajyam swahasta dhruta dandameva atapatram. The rajya is like, you hold atapatra, atapatrayate iti atapatra. Now that you hold with your own hand, and doing that means you are a king. And what is your duty? To look after the kingdom. And that is very difficult. And then atapatra, which you are holding, that is for shrama apanaya. If there is atapa, atapatrayate, if there is atapa, that atapatra will remove your shrama. But here, this atapatra does not remove your shrama, it creates more shrama than atapa apanayana. This is how it is. Very difficult. Dhuram sumahat. Now, these are comparable in verses with Shakuntala. Shakuntala in 5th act, 4th verse. Adhishramo ayam lokatantradhikaraha. Then Dhuram sumahatim. All these words are there. Also Raja says, Radnyam tu charitarthata dukkhotaraihi iva. Dukkhottara iva. His charitarthata is dukkhottara iva. And Shloka 6 also, Rajam hi nama Rajadharmanuvrutti parasya Nrupatehe Mahad Apriti Sthanam. Because it is Kutaha Pararthanusthane. That is also mentioned in Mudra Rakshasa by Vishakhadatta. So it is very difficult, It is difficult for a Raja who is Pararthanusthana, who has his goal to look after his subjects and not to enjoy just Rajya Lakshmi. You got it? Then Vimrushya. Vimrusha, he says, he looks and sees, idrisham eva etat. It's like that only. Yavat idanim idrisha shoka vinodanartham idrisha shoka vinodanartham vinodaya means to entertain. When my mind is like this, shoka grasta, then for entertaining, for vinodana of that mind, avastha kutumbinim maithilim pashyami. He calls her avastha kutumbinim. Nice word he has used. Avastha kutumbini means sarvavastha sakhim. Avastha kutumbinim sarvavasthasu sahaya bhutam. Wife helpmate. Wife is helpmate in all conditions, good or bad. She will be with him. Here it is used in the sense of bad or adverse state, because she has come with him to this vana where she has to face many hardships which she is not used to. So he calls her avastha kutumbini. Then, that kvanu khalu gata vaidehi, where is she? And then he moves around and looks for her. And then, aye imani khalu pratyagrabhishiktani vrukshamulani aduragatam maithilim suchayanti. What he says is, pratyagra abhishiktani, that means nutana abhishiktani, recently watered, just now she has watered the plants. So the pratyagra abhishiktani, just some time back, she has watered those plants. So that means she must have left this place. That means she must be around somewhere here only. And then he describes, Maithili has watered the plants, small and big, and how it looks like after watering the plants in the forest, that he has described in this next verse. Bhramati salilam vrukshavarte safenam avasthitam trushita patita nayete klishtam pibanti jala khagaha. Kham gacchati iti khagaha, birds, pakshinaha. Bhramati, vrukshavarte, that means avartanam is avarta, that is avruta. What turns around is avarta. Turns around and is applied to the turning round of water. There is another avarta also, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. This is also called avarta. But here it is not so. It is, it is applied to the turning round of water. That is avarta. Alavale. Alavale, that is the basin of the tree. Safenam avasthitam bhramati. Safenam means there is the fena, and because of that fena, you can easily predict that safenam avasthitam avartamanaha water vrukshasya alavale safena avasthitam salilam bhramati. Trushita patita, trushitaha ataeva patitaha. They are thirsty. That's why they have fallen down. They are thirsty. Trushita patitaha, that means avatirnaha. Trushita patita, ete khagaha, these birds, these thirsty birds, klishtam, kleshena, with difficulty, yatha, tatha, na jalam pibanti. Actually, we can take it in this way, that is klishtam, no. Kleshena, with difficulty, no. That means easily they drink the water. Jalam pibanti, no kleshena. Easily, because the water is just there. So that water they are drinking. They drink water without difficulty, being easily available. Okay? That means the birds are drinking water from the basin of the tree. Sthalam abhipatantyardraha kitaha bile jalapurite. Bile jalapurite, again you must have noticed Sati Saptami here. Sthalam abhipatantyardraha. That means bile, that means garta. Bila is garta. In this bila, they are, because of watering, the pots there, they are filled with water. Bile, that means those pots, jalapurite, when they are filled with water, the ardraha, jalaklinnaha, kitaha, sthalam abhipatanti. Because those pots there on the bhumi, they are filled with water, the kitaha, the worms who are kitaka, they are from that below, they come out because they are clean with water, so they come out and they are lying on the dry bhumi. Dry sthalam here we can take as dry land or elevated ground. So they jump from that below, that garta, that pot, and they fall on the ground which is dry. Vrukshaha mule jalarekhaya navavalainaha santi. Vrukshaha mule jalarekhaya, the water, the line of water, navavalainaha santi. As the water in the basin sank down, being dried up, a circle of soft earth was left around the root. If you have seen, watering the plant, or if you have watered the plant in the garden, you will see all this. But this watering is in the forest. So there are many bilaha, there are many kitaha, there are plenty of them there. Then he looks and says, Aye iyam vaidehi, here is vaidehi, bhoho kashtam. All the time he is, kashtam anubhavati. He says kashtam. And now what kashtam? He is, observing, yo asyaha karaha shramyati darpane api so noeti khedam kalasham vahantya. He feels sad for Sita. She is a Rajakanya. She is a royal lady here in Ikshvaku Vansha. She is all the time staying in Narendra Bhavana, attended by so many dasis around her. Now she used to get tired by holding mirror in front of her. Somebody else always, held mirror in front of her when she was, alankara, when she was decorating herself. But here, she is, carrying water-filled jars from one place to another to water the plants. So one who had no strength, one who is not used to hold mirror for a long time, the same Sita is carrying water-filled jars from one place to another to water the plants. So here, while doing this, does she not experience any kheda? Does she not get tired? She must be getting tired, but she has accepted this. And she has love for the plants. That is why she is doing it. Both the things. Yo asyaha karaha shramyati darpana. Darpana is mirror. Darpane api sa naeti khedam kalasham vahantyaha. Kashtam vanam stri jana saukumaryam samam latabhihi kathini karoti. Kathini karoti. He says, vanam latabhihi samam स्त्रीजन सौकुमार्यम कठिनी करोति सर्वविध आयास सहनशीलम विदधाति. Because she is, when such things are, poured on you, they are given to you, such things, when you have no choice, no other choice, then slowly you get accustomed to that. And you do not feel kheda for those shrama. And for that he says, vanam strijana saukumaryam samam latabhi sama means, lata means creepers, like creepers who are in the forest, they are a bit stronger. So similarly, the Saukumarya, the Sukumarata, Saukumarya of Vaidehi is, here Katini Karoti. She can bear all kind of dukkhas there. Upetya, he goes near her and says, Maithili apitapo vardhate. Now Maithili he is asking this to Maithili. Maithili is not tapasi. But still he asks her, apitapo vardhate. Here we should take tapa means to be performed in the hermitage. The duties to be performed in the hermitage. This is tapa. Is apitapo vardhate, that means dharma kriya. Is there any dharma kriya vignaha? You are doing duties in this ashrama, collecting flowers, watering the plants, then puja archana, vidhi, then collect all those upakaranas, all those things, staying there she is doing. And so he is asking her, apitapo vardhate, are there any difficulties? Are there any dharma kriya vignaha? Dharmam na uparudhyete iti. So vruksha sechanadi punya karma pratyuhaha. He calls this also vruksha sechana as punya karma. Then he says, Maithili, Aryaputra, that means, means here, Aryaputra has come, my husband has come. Jayatu Aryaputra. Maithili, yadite nasti dharma vignaha asyatam. If your dharma, if your duty is not, obstructed, if there is no vigna in your duty which you are performing now, if this is not in the way of those duties, asyatam, please be seated. Ayat Aryaputra adnyapayati. And she sits, upavishati. Maithili prativachanarthinim ivatvam pashyami. This is his usual way of, seeking of Arthini is seeking of a reply. Arthini. And as reply cannot be given unless a question is asked. One must ask a question, then only I can give reply. Is it not? So this means you seem to be eager to ask me a question This means I should ask a question and then you will reply. Kimidam, or it can be other way also, that she wants to ask a question and she is expecting answer for that question from me. So it is this way. So here also before, in the first act, same thing, Sita asked that Cheti, you wanted to ask me something now, or you were saying something. So this is Bhasa's style. Shokashunya hridayasya eva Aryaputrasya mukharagaha. She tells him that Shokashunya hridayasya iva mukharagaha. Ananavarnaha. Mukharaga means the color of his face. He looks very shoka. Shokena shunyaha hridayaha asya saha shoka shunya hridayaha. So to her, Rama looks like this. So she asks him, what is the shoka in your hridaya? Your face shows that. It is expressed. It is seen on your face. So what is it? Kim etat? What is this? Sthane yukta vishaye khalu chinta hridaya khedaha kriyate. When there is really something, difficult to bear, that time hridaya chinta comes up. So he says, Maithili, sthane khalu kruta chinta. I am really worried about something. He would tell his wife. Who else? Avastha kutumbini. She is. Krutanta shalya bhihate sharire tathaiva tavad hridaya vrano me. Nana falaha shoka sharabhighataha tatra eva punah patanti. They are falling at the same place. Tatra eva. Krutanta shalya bhihate. Krutanta shalyena abhihate. It's like a thorn. A kala, krutanta, is like a thorn. And he is pricking me at the same place again and again. That is my hridaya shalya. Shalyavat, kalena. Here we should take luck. His luck. Kalena abhihate ahate me sharire. And what was that shalya? Pitru viyoga kheda klishte. That was hridaya vrana. On his hridaya, this was a dukkha vrana. Adyapi nava eva. It is not yet, healed yet. That vrana, that dukkha, that wound of my father's death, has not yet healed. And nava eva yatha purvavasthe na virudha. Tathaiva tavat nana falaha. Similarly, it is nana falaha. That means aneka vidha dukkha karinaha. Aneka vidha dukkha karinaha. That gives me, dukkha of many types. Many types of dukkhas it is giving me, Shoka sharabhighataha. Shoka sharabhighataha. Here he refers to the various misfortunes that befell him one after other. Loss of kingdom and his exile to forest. Sita's having had to leave the palace and live in a forest. His father's death. Bharata's being sent back to Ayodhya against his wish. And his inability to perform his father's shraddha. One after the other, these are the काल कालेन ऋतः तत्रैव तत्रैव पुनः 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 पुनः. This is the shloka. Sita asked, Aryaputrasya ka iva santapah. Why so much, Rama says, Shvaha means tomorrow. Shvaha means tomorrow. Shvaha tatra bhavataha tatasya anusamvatsara shraddha vidhihi. Shvaha means tomorrow. Tatra bhavataha means vargasthaha. Tatasya, my father's, anusamvatsara shraddha vidhihi. Anusamvatsara means samvatsara after samvatsara, that is varshika, that is varsha shraddha. Varshika shraddha is tomorrow. Tomorrow is my father's samvatsara shraddha vidhihi. That is the thing. And then kalpa visheshena, that is kriya prakara visheshena, I want to do it, in a good way, in a different way. Kalpa prakara visheshena, that, and also that is samarthyanusarena. I consider myself, capable of doing so many things. So according to that, according to my samarthyanusarena, I want to do nivapana kriyam icchanti pitaraha. Kalpa visheshena nivapana kriyam icchanti pitaraha. Now pitaraha kamayanti. How? Samarthyanusarena pitaraha nivapana kriyam, that is pindadanam, etc. Pitaraha icchanti, that they wish for, kamayante. Athava, then he says, gachanti tushtim khalu yena kena, otherwise, gachanti tushtim khalu yena kena, te eva jananti hitam dasham me. Ichchami pujam cha tathapi kartum tatasya ramasya cha sanurupam. He says, te me pitaraha yena kena prakarena tushtim gachanti, that is tushtim yanti, they will be happy somehow. Yena kena prakarena. Te eva pitaraha tam me mama dasham vanavasa kalikim dasham jananti. They know that I am in vanavasa. My pitaras, they know I am in vanavasa. So they know my dasha, jananti dasham. Tathapi tatasya ramasya cha sanurupam pujam kartum ichchami. I want to, offer puja like Ramasya puja. It should be a puja like Rama would do. Kalpa vishesha. Evam cha evam anurupam swasamarthyam anusrutya ramasya anurupam shraddha vidhatum eva chinta. How I should do the shraddha vidhi? How will it be, like me doing this? Will my pitaras be happy? Then it should be my samarthyanusari. Falodakena falani cha udakam cha etesham samaharaha falodakam tena. Sita says, Aryaputra nivartaishyati shraddham bharata rudhya avasthanurupe rupam falodakena api Aryaputraha. she says, Bharata will, carry on this puja because he is staying at Ayodhya, he is staying in Narendra Bhavana. So he will do this Pindadana Vidhi Avasthanu Rupam, which suits him. That is Rudhya. Rudhya is the word used there that shows Mahargha Vastubhihi. The costly things he will offer to Pitara because he is there. So Bharata will offer that Pindadana in Rajya Bhavana according to his avastha, his samarthya there. Here, Falodakena, Falani cha udakam cha etesham samaharaha Falodakam. Tena Falodakena Aryaputraha. Simple. Etat tatasya bahumataram bhavishyati. Father Dasharatha will definitely like this. Bahumata taram. Tara bhavaha, tarasya bhavaha is mentioned here. So, with this Falodakat, your father, Tata will be very, very happy. Very happy. Maithili, she says, Falani drishtva darbheshu swahasta rachitani naha smaritaha vanavasam cha tataha tatrapi roditi. He has something else in his mind. Rama says, according to you, if we, do this, Falani, Fala and Udakana, so is it only Falani Društva, Darbheshu, that means Kusheshu, on that grass, Natu Savarnadi Patreshu. We will get Falani, and we will put on those darbhas, not in the Suvarna Patra. And with Swahasta, not by Bhrutya. They must be making preparation, and Bhrutyas, their servants, bring all those things required for a Shraddha Vidhi, and they put on that, but now here, all those things are not here. So he says, Falani Društva Darbheshu Kusheshu Falani Društva Na Suvarna Patradishu Naha Asmakam Swahasta Rachitani Naha, that is Asmakam Swahasta Rachitani Natu Bhrutyadi Hitani Falani and Natu Mahargha Vastuni. There are no costly things there, So by seeing that, Društva Tata Dasharathaha Asmakam Vanavasam Smaritaha. By offering this by us, he will remember our Vanavasa, Vanevasam. He will remember that we are all staying in the forest, and as it is, he was very sad because of that. And now that will remind this will remind Dasharatha of our Vanavasa, and Tatra api Swarge api rodishyati vilapishyati. He will do vilapa even in Swarga. I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to make him sorry. Tataha pravishati parivrajaka vesho Ravanaha. See the timing. Now both, there is a Shraddha, Samaya, the time, or to offer Shraddha to Dasharatha, and at the same time, Parivrajaka Veshaha, Ravanaha comes there. Parivrajaka is wandering here and there. The wandering ascetic is Parivrajaka. He moves here and there, wanders. So in that way, Parivrajaka Veshaha, Ravanaha arrives there and comes there. And he says, Ravana says, Esha Bhoho. And he introduces He does not introduce immediately. And he says, "Here I am." He enters on the stage. He is not seen by Rama and Sita who are there, but he just enters there and audience looks at him. Audience knows that he is there, and he says, he talks to audience and he says, "Niyatam aniyatatma rupam etat gruhitva, niyatam aniyatatma रूपम एतद् गृहीत्वा खर वधुकृत वैरम राघवं वंचयित्वा स्वरपद परिहीणां हव्यधाराम इव अहम जनक नृपसुतां ताम हर्तुकामः प्रयामि." When he enters the stage, the audience must know who he is. You know, there is a rule in Bharata's Natya Shastra that no character should enter the stage without suchana. It has to be, audience must be given suchana of the entering character. So here there was no suchana given to audience because Rama and Sita were discussing about Shraddha Vidhi. Why should they discuss about Ravana? No chance. So through their dialogue, also there was no chance of audience that who will be entering now. So Ravana himself does that. He enters on the stage, but Rama, Sita, they do not see him, but the audience sees him and they come to know who he is by this verse. Ravana enters the stage and he recites this verse, "Who I am." Niyatam aniyatatma rupam etad gruhitva. You know, रूपम एतत् गृहीत्वा खरवधकृत वैरम राघवं वंचयित्वा स्वरपद परिहीणां हव्यधाराम इव अहम हर्तुकामः whom जनक नृपसुताम ताम जनक नृपसुताम. He sees her that she is there. So he says tam janaka sutam hartukamaha hartum ichchukaha aham prayami. Now I am going there. See? And how he is? Aniyatatma. Aniyatatma is ajitendriyaha aham. Aniyatam atma. He has his atma. He has no control. Atma means himself. He has no control over himself. He is not jitendriya. He has no control over his indriyas. And he is niyatam. Rama is niyata. He has control over his indriyas. He is jitendriyaha. And Ravana is ajitendriyaha. So, this avashikruta antakkaranaha yena ajitendriyaha aham, with his soul uncontrolled, he is aham etat atithehe rupam gruhitva etat atithehe rupam gruhitva niyatam is vashinam, self-controlled. who has roused my self-controlled is Rama here. So him Niyatam, who has roused by enmity by his slaying of Khara. He had killed Khara. Khara vadhakrutam. Vairam yena sa Raghavam niyatam vanchayitva, by deceiving him, by Raghavam pratarya, by deceiving him, tam janakasutam hartukamaha aham prayami. This is his introduction. He himself says that he is aniyatatma. He has pratishodha in his mind. This is bad. This is his bad character. And that is shown in this. How later he enters, how he talks, and how he, vanchayitva, how by deceiving Rama, he, abducts Sita, that we will see next time. So, very little time is left. So, we will conclude here and see, and we'll meet Ravana in our next visit. Okay? Till that time, we'll stop. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.